Hey everyone! Welcome back to 919 Motorsports. For today's video, I'm actually providing you guys with something completely new to our brand. If you guys are anything like me, you didn't spring the extra few thousand for the high-end package that includes the separate trailer camera from the factory. And yeah, I know this is a first world problem. But like many of life's temptations, once I know it's out there and available, I just have to have it. You see, for the last week or so, I've been extensively testing and putting this high-definition magnetic camera through its paces. I wanted to find and then review a great magnetic wireless camera that I could confidently recommend to my viewers. I wanted to cover all bases, with a comprehensive and easy-to-use camera that even a tech doofus like me could operate. Whether you're taking the family boat to the lake, loading up the dirt bike hauler for a fun weekend, or simply finding a substitute for your vehicle's broken rear camera, my plan was to find a product that could meet those expectations, while not breaking the bank. And thanks to the great folks at INSEETECH, I've done just that. So join me as 919 Motorsports reviews their high-definition, wireless magnetic reverse camera. So let's get started with what they sent us. So once unwrapped, we've received our HD camera, a simple USB charging cable, as well as instructions explaining how to operate the camera and pair it to the app. The engineers with INSEETECH were obviously thinking from the end user's point of view, because the app is not only easy to find, but easy to install, and even easier to pair it to your Apple or Android smartphone. The camera itself will supply the hotspot for your phone to pair to ensure that operation is smooth and simple. And now on to the star of the show, the camera. Let me start by pointing out how compact it is, with measurements of 4 inches long by 2 3/4 wide and 3.5 inches high. This camera is easily held with one hand while operating the app with your other. But there is absolutely no reason to hold it, because with its ultra-strong magnetic base, once you attach it to a metal surface, it's not going anywhere. I trust this more than my $500 GoPro setup. I have included footage of the camera mounting to different surfaces, some with very little surface area for the base to attach. Yet still no problem for this HD camera, as you'll see. But if I leave it mounted to my dirt bike trailer, will I have to worry about the battery going dead? Or constantly charging it to maintain use? How about no? And also no. The 3000 mAh battery has an amazing standby time of 90 days, or over 2100 hours. That's because after 2 minutes of non-use, it will automatically enter a sleep state until you operate it once again. Not to mention it will record for up to 7 hours of footage, which by the way you can save on your phone under the app. What about charging? I'm sure you're wondering. Well, included with the camera, you'll find a standard USB cable to charge on the fly. But that's not all. And get ready for this because it caught me off guard. But you also have the option to solar charge the camera as well. When ordering the camera, you have the option to include a mountable solar panel to continuously charge your camera on sunny days. That eliminates the need to tie up a USB port. Another convenience that really impressed me were the 4 infrared LEDs built into the camera. No matter day or night, if you are backing with this camera attached to your trailer, you'll be able to see exactly where you're going, all the way out to a distance of roughly 5 meters or 17 feet. The infrared LEDs will clear out the darkness of night and help you navigate your way around obstacles. And on the flip side, during the daytime you'll benefit from 1080p HD color, which will appear high definition and lifelike on your phone screen when displaying your camera's view. Okay, so you can record great quality during daylight hours and at night. But what about camera functionality during poor weather conditions? Once again, the INSEETECH engineers were able to provide suitable accommodations to ensure this camera performed when and wherever you needed it. With an IP69K waterproof rating, this camera works flawlessly in extreme weather conditions. So that is 919 Motorsports review of INSEETECH's 1080p magnetic Wi-Fi camera. I hope you found this video informative and decide to check out their camera. Like I've mentioned before, I would not recommend a product that I would not personally use. In my description, you will find a link to buy their camera, as well as all of the technical specs that I have outlined in this video. Currently on April 28, 2024, they are offering a 27% discount on the camera, as well as Amazon Prime one-day shipping. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more to come.